What's up, Rainier Asphalt and Concrete? I am out in Mill Creek and I'm at the Augustin condominiums in Mill Creek. This is job number 20223. We're gonna look at asphalt repair, including speed bumps, concrete curb repair, crack fill, seal coat, and striping. I met with Shelly Murray with Emerald Management today, and we talked about getting some of this rain or shine work done now. That'd be the extruded curb repairs, the asphalt repairs, and maybe the crack filling if weather allows us to. So this property goes up the hill, and I'm going to show you what it looks like here. Okay, so you can see this drawing here. My thumb up at the upper left-hand corner there is the bottom of the hill, and it goes up the hill, past those stalls, continues to go up the hill, continues to go up the hill, and goes all the way to the top where you see Unit L and Unit M. So it's all uphill. And then you got this drive aisle that goes this direction and then heads down the hill and goes across and meets up again. So you can see as far as asphalt repairs go, I've got certain areas marked off as you go up the hill, and we'll go through those dimensions. There's also curb R&R, and where my thumb is right here at this mark, you've got about 100 feet of curb repair that goes up the hill, and then you got another 155 feet, and it ends where that first parking stall is. I'm going to show you these things here real quick. So the seal coat and stripe will be next year, and they were okay with that. So let's go up the hill and let's talk about our scope of work here. So as I'm going up the hill, you'll see I made marks on the asphalt with white, or on the curbing I should say, of curb to be repaired all the way up the hill. We're going to repair that curb that goes all the way up to the top to the first carport. Then you've got these 2 foot wide speed bumps that I'd like to replace all of these going up the hill. We're going to drive up the hill here because I've walked it about 1,000 times now. Let me push pause just a second. So these speed bumps that you see, there's a pair there, and then up here there's another one. So that's a total of 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 speed bumps to repair, 2 foot wide. Each one of these is approximately 10 feet long. So 10 feet times 8, it's 80 feet of speed bumps to rip out and put back. They're not very tall. You're talking probably about 2 to 3 inches. Okay, then you've got a patch right here at the bottom. There's one catch basin, and you've got a little bit of concrete at that catch basin. We're looking at a 5 foot by 8 foot patch here. It's more like a 10 foot. So let's call this 5 foot by 8 foot. And while we're at it, I'm just going to show you some of these other areas where I've marked the curbing, and I've got it marked on a map. But it's all kind of damaged. It's 6 inch by 10 inch curbs, and I'd like to get those replaced. Same thing up here where I've marked. Those curbs don't look like they're too terrible out front, but you'll see down on the bottom half of it, they patched the bottom section of the curb, and it looks kind of like garbage. So I told her we'd replace it and give her a price for that. Another patch is up here by stall 154 and 153. I've got it marked off, and it's a 5 foot by 12 foot patch, as you can see right there. 5 foot by 12 that I've marked. All of this is sloped. I'd probably say it's 15% slope or higher. It's probably more like 16, 17% slope, maybe. Close. But yeah, there's the markings that I put. I laid out everything because she'd like to get this stuff done now. Here's some more curb markings that I put in here for repair. Here's a couple other patches in these first 4 stalls. Just a little bit of deteriorating asphalt from oil spot drippings. Plus it's sunk over there in stall 144. Then there's 2 little patches here as well. Those patches are, let's see here, I've got 2x2, 2x2, and 27x5 in that location. Make our way up here. This is where the most extensive part of the asphalt repairs are. Let me push pause here real quick.